Massive $17 billion BTC and ETH options expire today in 2025 largest event, rally or crash? Bitcoin. Ethereum. Massive $17 billion BTC and ETH options expire today in 2025's largest event with bullish put-call ratios despite max pain targets. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. June 27, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The cryptocurrency market is facing its largest options expiration event of 2025 today as over $17.27 billion in BTC and ETH contracts expire on Deribit. This massive H1 quarterly delivery represents 30% of the total current positions. Bitcoin leads with $15 billion in expiring options across 139,000 contracts, while Ethereum accounts for $2.3 billion through 939,000 contracts. However, the put-call ratios reveal bullish sentiment across both assets. Bitcoin shows a 0.74 ratio with maximum pain at $102,000, while Ethereum displays a 0.52 ratio with maximum pain at $2,200. Both cryptocurrencies currently trade well above their respective pain points, with BTC at $107,555 and ETH at $2,452. This expiration significantly exceeds the previous 2025 events. Bitcoin contracts jumped from 33,972 last week to 139,390 today, while Ethereum surged from 224,509 to 938,551 contracts. The scale exceeded April's $8.05 billion, which was previously the year's largest event. Massive BTC and ETH expiring options drive market positioning strategy. The sheer volume of expiring contracts accounts for over 30% of total open interest, a concentration rarely seen in crypto derivatives markets and one that historically precedes significant price movements. Bitcoin's dominance in the expiration is particularly striking, with 139,000 contracts carrying $15 billion notional value compared to last week's modest 33,972 contracts. This fourfold increase is due to the monthly nature of June 27 expiries, which aggregate positions built throughout the quarter rather than weekly accumulations. The maximum pain theory suggests both assets face gravitational pull toward their respective strike prices. Bitcoin's $102,000 max pain sits significantly below current $107,555 levels, while Ethereum's $2,200 target lies below $2,452 trading prices. This divergence typically creates downward pressure as market makers hedge their exposures. Put-call ratios reveal contrasting sentiment structures despite overall bullish positioning. Bitcoin's 0.59 ratio indicates moderate call dominance, while Ethereum's 0.46 ratio shows stronger bullish conviction. However, implied volatility patterns diverge sharply, with BTC hovering below 35% while ETH maintains elevated levels of 65%. Notably, block trading activity has also intensified dramatically in the 48 hours preceding expiration. Deribit recorded $1.4 billion in large-scale call transactions, with institutional players actively repositioning ahead of the deadline. This volume surge indicates that investors are preparing for potential volatility rather than simply riding out the expiration. The timing coincides with Bitcoin's fourth attempt to establish $108,000 as support after recovering from levels below $100,000. Technical analyst Rect Capital recently identified this as a crucial transitional period. noting that weekly closes above $104,400 will determine whether Bitcoin enters its next price discovery uptrend or faces an extended period of consolidation. Institutional flows show mixed long-term outlook. Institutional activity surrounding today's expiration reveals conflicting signals as traditional finance entities embrace crypto treasury strategies while short-term positioning suggests caution ahead of potential volatility. Bitcoin's institutional narrative strengthens despite near-term uncertainties. Most recently, billionaire Philippe Lafont included Bitcoin in his Fantastic 40 list of top investments for the next 5 years, projecting that the market capitalization could exceed $5 trillion by 2030. He admitted to previously overlooking Bitcoin as a store of value. Similarly, Bakkt, a cryptocurrency exchange, has filed for a $1 billion shelf registration with the SEC, earmarking the proceeds for Bitcoin acquisitions under its updated treasury strategy. However, despite these institutional activities, immediate market dynamics present challenges. Recent CryptoQuant data shows Bitcoin miner revenues fell to $34 million daily, the lowest since April 20th, driven by reduced transaction fees and price pressure. Despite this stress, miners increased reserves from 61,000 to 65,000 BTC between March and June, indicating long-term confidence. Ethereum faces more complex institutional positioning, with Sharplink Gaming being the recent accumulator of 12,207 ETH valued at $30.6 million. The company now holds 188,478 ETH worth approximately $457 million, representing the largest publicly traded Ethereum position. Spot ETF flows provide additional context for retail sentiment. Bitcoin ETFs recently recorded 11 consecutive inflows of $588 million, while Ethereum ETFs recorded weekly inflows of $205 million at the same time. This retail interest contrasts with institutional selling, creating complex cross-currents in Ethereum markets. The technical outlook remains pivotal for both assets. Analyst Michael Van de Poppy identifies $2,400 as Ethereum's crucial range low, suggesting upside potential if support holds. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's ability to maintain its weekly support at $104,400 will determine whether the asset transitions into its next major uptrend or faces extended consolidation through the historically weak Q3 period. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Cardano by the end of 2025. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Why is crypto down today? June 26, 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction, major breakout predicted within 90 days, $589 XRP possible? 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Altcoin news. Ripple settlement denied as Judge Torres rejects $50 million deal. XRP institutional sales remain limited. 1 day ago. By Hassan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction, why traders are watching the next 48 hours like hawks. 18 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025, top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in June 26, 2025. 16 hours ago. By NSS, Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, pre-sale crypto list. 23 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 22 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 57 minutes ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.